Yo, hello everyone. Thanks for clicking. I'm official Key Reacts. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So guys, I've been tapping in to some Noam Bettan performance and his tracks that he's performing. And bro, trust me, I'm feeling delight. I'm being delightful by his performance, by his releases, by his music, by his sound, by everything. His voice is 1 in a billion. Okay, so guys, speaking of 1 in a billion, I'll be reacting to Sick Love. What the heck, bro? What the heck? Sick Love. Why is this love sick? What the heck? Okay, so let's see what's up. Let's see what's up. Because this title is important. Very important. So let's see how we delivered and let's see the storyline that falls behind this title of this track. Let's see what's up. Let's see what on.
יש בך את הקסם, כמו מדבר בגשם, יש לי חושך בעיניים, כשאת כל כך קרובה, אבל את מתרחקת, אני צועק אותך בשקט, אם את היית שומעת, אז מה היית עונה? זמן קצת מסוכן להיות לבד אם את לא כאן.
Guys, I ain't gonna lie, this is very perfect. This is giving a lot of excitement with perfection, bro. Right? The power of this man's voice, bro, is top notch. It's way up there, bro. Way up there. It's like he's just on the top floor looking down on the people who doubted him, while the people who doubted him are looking up because they are haters, bro. We're above them, bro. Right? He's proving people wrong here. Damn, bro. Hey. Hey. Okay, let's continue. Bro. Wow. Oh, extraordinary. This is what I love to hear about singers, artists, great musicians. The delivery. Anything you're doing and you deliver properly, perfectly, unmatchedly, you are born for this, bro. Right? Great delivery, bro. Great sound, bro. Great voice control, my bro. Noam, bro, you are making me feel so good in myself to know that, hey, the world is full of talented people. Apart from my country, Jamaica, that uses music that is of dancehall and reggae. Differently from my diaspora songs, right? Music, right? I'm loving this type of music. It gives me the calmness within myself, my G. You know, you see someone find that person who they love, bro, who they dedicated their life for, bro. Alright? Then what's gonna come in that play? Sick love. That person who you call your partner, that person who you decide to spend your life with, it's gonna be sick love, bro. Because you love that person so much, it becomes habitual. It becomes a sickness. Okay? And that's not something bad. That's good because you encountered someone who you can spend your life with, who you're gonna open up with, bro. So that's definitely sick love, bro. In other terms, you can use love sick or sick love, right? It doesn't matter. Bro. It doesn't matter whether you flip it or not. It doesn't matter because in Jamaica we do have an artist that called Romain Virgo. I think he has a track that is called Love Sick, and the story that this man is telling, even though I'm not understanding what he's saying, it's basically similar to that track of a reggae artist goes by the name of Romain Virgo, bro. When you find that person, it's gonna lead up to that. Let's continue.
Jamais d'accord de fuir mes envies, de cacher mes torts. Ma maladie c'est toi. Ma maladie c'est toi. Et c'est écrit sur les murs, je ne vois plus rien.
Yo, terrific singing, dog. Terrific singing, my G. Bro, this man is too good, dog. Damn, bro. You know what the bro? I. Yo, that was crazy. Yo, give this man his props, man. Give him his props, bro. Such great singing, breathtaking singing, you know, an enchantment of singing, bro. Bro, trust me, I've heard Yuval Ruffel sing, and she literally moves mountain with her voice, bro. But he's literally moving the earth from his axis, man. Damn, let's give the Israelites, bro, a round of applause, dog. Just me. Awesome, man. That was extraordinary. Brilliance. Tons of brilliance here. You know what? I'm speechless. I do not know what to say apart from just perfection. Thanks for watching, people. I'll see you later. Stay tuned, man. Subscribe. Just subscribe. I'll be back again. Trust me. Because I'm loving what I'm seeing and hearing so far. So it's adventurous. And I want to be back here on this adventure. Peace.